You always find me here.
You are my favorite person. And while I don't want to blow your cover as a big, tough firefighter, I do want to say that you are the most compassionate, thoughtful person that I have ever met. You always know how to make me laugh, how to comfort me, and how to make me feel like the most beautiful woman in the world. Your heart is gigantic, and I am honored to occupy just a piece of it.
I vow to love you more every day than one before, and always find a way to make you smile. I vow to be your strength when you need it, and to lean on your strength when I need it too. I vow to always think of you first, to be your safe place to relax, and to support you through the rest of our lives.
I pronounce you husband and wife. Please kiss the bride.
You flowers in the rain or shine, just because I can, or just because I can. The moon awaits the night. The sun awaits the day. And I'll await the time when I'll look you in the eyes and say, oh, I'll say, I do, I do, I do, I do. I do, I do, I do. Oh, through the calm and the wind, through thick and through thin, through the losses and wins. Oh, I do, I do, I do. Through the rich and the poor. Oh, my heart is yours. Through sickness and health. Oh, I do, I do, I do. The moon awaits the night. The sun awaits the day. And I'll await the time when I'll look you in the eyes and say, oh, I'll say, I do. I do, I do, I do, I do. I do, I do, I do.